Hello guys, I've never had this many freaking cameras in front of me. On the road again, tripping in these two low riders, which are really legendary. Please get some detail of this. Show the workmanship. Show the baseball bat, the sword.
Yours is called Yell and mine is named Heaven.
Yell and Heaven. On the road again. We're in Port Elizabeth. I'm really excited about being here, in particular because of the bicycles and the community work. Behind you is where a soup kitchen is held every week by 420 Corner to feed the community.
At the spot.
Which I think is really important work to do in the cannabis industry. The cannabis culture needs to have a heart, and this is what it's about. So we're going to go and do a vlog of 420 Corner. We're going to try and ride these things all the way down the main drag here. Apparently the community know what we're doing, and they're going to give us a gap on the road to get past. Taz, you ready?
You need to just 2 minutes pause.
No, there's no pause. We're going.
I've lost my mic.
Okay. You've lost. Oh, that's right. This is really hard to do. Hola, boys. Get it all sorted. Keep rolling. What do you think? I think this is legendary.
Stopping? No, look left. No, look right. I've got to be.
Come on, guys. You can't think this isn't rad, eh? The cannabis culture. Hello, guys. The cannabis culture is alive and kicking.
No, how many times have you had to run backwards on this road? Guys, you have to see Lolo.
This is going to be a cool vlog. Check out the wall there, the parking signs, 420 Corner. I'm going to show you a cool car.
Thank you.
Sorry, good man.
Thanks, man.
All Joburg taxis need to ride bikes
here we
like
go.
this.
Let's ramp it up.
So cool. Wait, help me get in here. Yeah. Whee! Awareness.
And a pocket here in car.
Thank you, awareness.
Okay, guys.
That was an awesome bike ride. Riding for mental health.
If you get a chance, you got to come and try.
Thank you. Always.
This car went down to Cape Town. Was signed by.
Thank you. Sadika, Rafiki, that was awesome.
In the cannabis industry. And it had to do with men's health, men's mental health. Nalo over here. How's it, Nalo? Pleased to meet you. I'm Cameron. Share us. Just roll with us. Keep riding.